me leaving a job, which most of you still do, waking up every single day to go and do a job that I absolutely hated. And what was really painful about that was the fact that I was wake up every single day by your grandma to go and work a job that you don't like it, and which most of you still do it. And every single day when I went back home before sleeping, I take a trade and I wake up, I usually see $300 to $200, and I was asking my aunt, why am I going to a job? Why am I still working a job that I don't like, or that I'm not really paid well? So I decided to quit my job a few months, and now you can see this is me, and this is still me working on my own self because I forgot about my goal, and you can really see a big change. Now the only thing you need to have is just your phone and a computer. So I'm going to explain to you first what is trading. For many people that don't know about trading, there are many types of trading, but we are commonly, or everybody knows about forex trading, and we have many types of trading. So I'm going to explain to you what is forex trading. From the word foreign, means like you leave your country to another country, and when you reach there, you change your money. They give you the money based on the value of your currency. I'll take an example. If you leave USA to go maybe to Indonesia, and I'll take an example, the rate of $1 is 15,000. They're going to give you, when you are going to exchange your $1, they're going to give you 15,000. So they give you the money based on the rate of the currency. Now if you want now to exchange back the 15,000 rupiah back to your dollars, and at that period the rate have increased it, maybe let us say to 30,000, they're going to give you $2. So what we do is that we analyze to know when or how to buy or sell any currency, and how the world have developed, or technology is now advanced. You don't need to travel to another country to exchange to have another currency. You just need your phone and MetaTrader 5 and TradingView, which I'm going to take my time and explain to you word by word, so that you are going to understand what I mean and how you can make your money on trading. Let us start with TradingView. What is TradingView? TradingView is simply an application that helps us to analyze our trade. You can either find it on Play Store or App Store. So when you use your computer to create an account on TradingView, it's going to appear this way. What is going to happen is that here you can see your pairs that you want to analyze or trade. Here you can see the minutes, the hours, or the second you want maybe take a trade or analyze the trade. It can either be in months or years. So you can all see here. I'm going to take my time and explain to you everything about it. So first of all, here you can see that this is GBP, which is British pounds against the dollars. So for me, as a beginner trader, it is better for you to trade pairs like this, or Euro USDT, or USDT TPY, than to trade gold, which is very volatile. You know, many forex traders like to trade gold because it gives a lot of money, but it is very volatile for a beginner forex trader which really wants to be profitable in trading and really make a lot of profit in trading. So apart from this, we also have cryptos like Bitcoin, USDT. We have Ethereum. We also have like stocks like Netflix. We also have Tesla. We also have Apple. We also have indices like US 500, US 100, and all those stocks. So you can also trade all of them, but you need to understand that stocks, indices, and some futures like gold, crude oil are very volatile. So, and there's also crypto. There's a lot of them. So you can do all your analysis here, and from there you can make a lot of profit if you know what you do. So you also have TPP, TPY. Here you can see these are my trades I usually take. Maybe because every week I must take a trade. It depends. I don't trade every single day. It depends on the position I see. So let me explain now on. I hope you understood what I mean by the pairs. So you need to understand that all the pairs, you know, like maybe you're going to leave maybe USA to go maybe to Australia. The currency of Australia is AUD USD. So this for Australia. So when you are going to reach in Australia, they are going to give you the Australia dollars based on the USDT. So what is going to happen is that right now you can see the Australian dollars just have a difference with 0.67442. You understand? So this is just a difference. So when you trade the pair like dollars against the Australian dollars against the USDT, that is simple about the pairs. So now about the time is what is happening at the 15 minute. It can either be 5 minutes, what is happening at that 5 minutes. It can also be what is happening at the 1 hour, what is really happening at the 1 hour. It can also be what is happening at the 4 hours, what is happening in the whole day, during that day, what is going to happen, what is happening during the week. So those are all the things that you need to take in consideration before you decide maybe to take a trade or something like that. So if you are a beginner forex trader, the first thing you need to understand is that before you decide to take a trade, you must first of all go on a bigger time frame before you go down on a smaller time frame. So I'll take an example. If maybe I want to take this trade, I can see that the trade is in an uptrend. You understand? So you can see it is rising, and we can all see at the 15 minutes the trend is just like trying to accumulate. I will have that mindset that if that trade tries to accumulate like this, it has a very high potential to continue moving upward, because you can see at the 4 hours time frame the trade is moving upward. Okay, for those people that don't understand the meaning of green, red, and all these stuff, so those greens that you see are people that are buyers in the market. So those people that are buying the coin, while the red are those people that are selling. So in trading or forex trading, you need to understand that you either buy or you sell based on the analysis. I'm going to take an example of a trade I took just yesterday on DPP USDT. You can see I've taken my profit around here. Normally my profit too was supposed to be around this zone, but I've taken it around here for the TP1 before the market now starts accumulating. Now you can see the market have two choices. Either the market is going to continue moving upward or it's going to continue direction down. So what you need to understand is that on this trade you can either take your profit, or it is better for you to have to take profit, TP1 and TP2, so that it's going to be easy for you to exit the market. Let me show you another one. You can see on this other trade, the market reached around this zone, and later on the market went down. You understand? So I took my profit, my TP1 around this zone before the market continued moving down. You can see this other trade that I took. You can see the trade was really perfect. So the market went fully down, and I took all my trade there. Okay. What you need to understand is that for me, I have a very easy method to analyze the graph. You know, there's a lot that you can go through, maybe you can try to learn, but the one that is the most easiest one is to draw your support and resistance. And there's also another one that you need to understand, that before the market take maybe a buy or a sell, there's something that always happens. Before the market must take a buy or a sell, there's always what we call an accumulation. You have seen what has happened here. Before the market took a sell, the market started accumulating at a zone before it went to a sell. And you can also see here, before the market took a buy, the market did what? Started accumulating at a zone before it went to a buy. That is the simplest method you can understand about trade. Before anything works, it must have like an accumulation before it goes to a buy or the sell. You understand? So those are the easiest thing you need to understand. And first of all, before you decide to either go on a sell or a buy, first of all analyze your market on the 4 hours time frame before you go on the lower time frame, so that you can easily identify. So there's also another one which is very important in trading, which are the news. The news is just like the key of trading, because the news really impact the market the most. If you're a trader like me, a a day trader and you don't like to trade during the news, you can just avoid it. Like before the news come, you can easily take your maybe your profit or your loss to avoid any movement. But if you are used maybe to the news, or you have a lot of money and you are sure about the trade you took, or maybe the analysis you did on the news, you can easily go on with the trade. So we had trade. So this is how the news works. Sometimes you use investing when it comes to determine the news. So today we can see we have the news today at 9:30 p.m. about the stocks of petrol. So we can see here that the stocks of petrol have reduced, meaning that it's going to, if the news come out positive, it means that it's going to affect the dollars, since it is for the dollars America, it's going to affect the dollars, and if it's affect the dollars, it's going to mean that all those pairs that are against the dollars are going to increase because the dollars is going to reduce. It's just for a specific time. It's not like the whole day or the whole time, because you know when it decreases, when the dollar decreases, it now makes investors now to enter into the market and now invest more into the market, make it to go or to increase. So you just have a shorter time. So what you need to understand, as I told you, is that before the market go on buy or sell, is a specific confirmation for that. The market must first of all do a little accumulation before it's going to continue maybe its uptrend or its downtrend. Simple as that. So that is what you really need to know about trading, which is very important as a beginner forex trader. And you need to understand that you need also to know how to calculate your risk management, which I'm going to show it with you right now. So I will take an example of what I've just drawn here. I'm going to calculate my risk management right now so that you can all see how it is do. So you can use this website known as bbpips.com, and here you are going to maybe put your account size maybe like 500. You are willing to risk let us say 2% of your money. Your stop loss pips is 150. Stop loss pips means this 150 you are seeing here, 150.8. You're just going to put here 150.8. I think you just went up to 151, and you're just going to take the currency pair, which was USDT. Yeah, this is the currency pair. It's 145.70. 145.70. 145. 145.70. Let us say 5. Okay. So it means that if you want, or maybe you are willing to risk 2% of the money, it means that you are ready to lose $10 of the 500, and you are going to have a lot size of 0.09. So it means you are willing to lose this $10, and you are willing to make at least I want to calculate. You are willing to make at least, let us say, a minimum of 500. No, sorry, a minimum maybe of $20 upward, $50 upward. Sorry. Yeah. So this is what maybe you are willing of $20 upward. So as I told you, you can see before the market needs to take something, it must first of all accumulate before it's going to go upward. As you can see right now, the market is going upward after the accumulation. You can also use Fibonacci retracement to calculate calculate to know how to take profit easily, so that you should avoid any loss in the market. So after you have drawn up your Fibonacci retracement, you just need to, I always take my profit around this 1.27, and for the final take profit, and the other one is around this one. So this is how you can draw it and maybe start making profit. So for me to really or maybe explain better, I must have like question about like the complaint that most of you have in trading, because I know many people, their complaint is mostly around like they don't know how to calculate their risk management, just how I did. They don't know how to maybe enter and exit the market, which I also explain about it. They don't know maybe about currency pairs and all those stuff, which I also did. So if you want me to explain like any trouble you have in trading, or maybe any other problem, you just need to put it on the comments, so that the next video I do, I'm going to explain more and more better about that. But you can see trading is not something really difficult. You can easily quit a job and focus on it. I know it takes time to really master, but when you are ready to make a good money on trading, it's just really simple. So you can really make a lot from trading. So this is my own view about forex trading. So right now I'm just going to show you about the MetaTrader 5 and which broker is good for you to use it and trade, because you know there is a lot of broker that don't allow you to trade maybe during the weekend, since the bounce are closed. You can not maybe the others that doesn't help you to move your money at any time. Yeah, I'm going to show you how this works. So if you have any problem, do wait to put in the comment section, so that I'm going to do a video to explain to you more how it works. But you can see for me, trading is just like, if you know a method first, there's a lot. So there's a lot of method that I know, but for me to explain all of them is going to really be a long video. So I decided just to explain to you the accumulation, either go for a long buy or long sell, how to use it, Fibonacci retracement. Those are the key as a forex trader, how to calculate your risk management, which I also key. So right now I'm just going to explain to you about the MetaTrader 5, the application which is best for you to use and trade. From there you can maybe start your trading using maybe you can start trading using your demo account, so that you can be used to trade, and later on you can maybe start with your 500, 200 and start trading with minimum risks and know how to trade. And also you need to understand that the news also play a key role in trading. So let me just show you what I mean by that. Okay, I am on my phone right now. So you can see we have Arbitrate. Me, I use that broker that we known as Arbitrate. It's a broker that we can find directly on Play Store, and it's also a broker that gives us the advantage to analyze trade for us. For people that don't know how to trade, Arbitrate also analyze their own trade, and if you have confidence in them, or maybe if you don't know how to trade, you can easily take their trade and you maybe start making money. But me, I analyze my trade on my own. So Arbitrate is a very good broker for me, because I can remove my money at any time, any day I want, and I won't see it. So I can't enter in my Arbitrate because you see my information and all I have inside my account. So this other one is MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5 is simply an application that helps you to place your trade. That's all. It's simply an application that helps you to place your trade. You can either have all the currency pair you want. It's the same thing what I was explaining to you. This is where you can put your hours, your minute, all those stuff. These are the pairs. Like for the pairs, I just put GBP, BGPY. So you can see here we have they asked me to go on a lot of 0.05, so I'm just going to take a buy. And what is going to happen is that you can see my buy order place. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to put my stop loss. My stop loss is this zone. You can see it down here is 2.007. That is my stop loss, and my take profit is going to be around this zone. Which is 1.47.081. So I've just placed my trade. Right now I'm just waiting for my trade to go on. You understand? So this is not a trade I analyzed. I just wanted to show to you how it works. But I can see, or I'm expecting it to go up, but we are patiently waiting for the trade to continue going up or down. So that's all. So as I told you, this is everything you need to know about trading. I try my best to explain to you the MetaTrader 5, the TradingView, how it works, and how to buy or sell. I know I explained it so fast, but I hope you at least get something from what I said. And if you have any problem concerning trading, just try your best to let me know so that I can explain to you, teach you how it works, or maybe clear your doubts about it, because I can't take the whole day to explain to you how trading works. And you need to understand there's a lot of methods you can use, but the one I explain to you is the simplest one that can help you to easily make money from trading. And you need to understand that you don't need to use emotion in trading. You understand? It's not like you place a trade and directly you start having like $10. It's going to take maybe a few minutes or few hours before you are in profit. And if you have already taken your TP1 or maybe of the day, because I'm a day trader, when I already make my profit for the day, I will directly close my trade and allow it for the next day. But if you force the trade, you are ready to lose money. That's all about trading. So guys, if you are ready to quit your job and start trading, it's going to take you time, but you can be sure you can make really good money from trading. So if you have any problem, let me know. Join the Telegram so that you can enjoy our free signal every single day. Thank you for watching, and God bless you. See us in the next videos. And I'm going to make a video based on your complaint. So see you guys.